How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, so welcome back to another live stream. I'm actually looking at quite a lot of positions at the moment. So we're gonna run through them. We did take a trade earlier, hit CP1. I'm looking potentially to re-enter on this trade. So basically, there's a re-entry point over here. We'll see how this level gets respected. But most of my trades today were very short-term time frame. So yeah, I mean, we're going to be looking at things right now. The market's starting to come down a bit, especially the altcoins. If we see Bitcoin still starting to move here, I'm actually took a long on Bitcoin here, just based on the reactions at this level. Because if you look at Bitcoin here, still respecting these lows here, still respecting. If there's kind of like a channel. If you look at that, there's a little bit of a channel for Bitcoin. So cool. Yeah, so obviously I'm still long here, but what I'm going to look at, let me post this. Give me 1 minute. Sorry about that. Let me just get going here. Yeah, so basically, market's still looking bullish. Obviously, there is a retracement right now. I did take a long here for XRP, looking to add to this position here, to be honest with you. So if you're looking at this, we're up on a 20x, so we're up around about 20% on this trade. Was up 50%, took profits already. But basically, with this XRP trade, I put my stop loss to break even here, but I did take out some profits at TP1. Okay. Overall, I'm still looking at eventually this target at the top here. But the thing is, what is happening right now? We're seeing the total 3 market cap come down a bit here. So I want to just see why. There's not much happening. But anyway, yeah. Only trade that's kind of just ripping at the moment is LDO. So basically, this trade here, I mean, the entry was absolutely beautiful. I'm looking at TPing at this tip here, around about this level here. We'll see if that gets tapped into. Basically, just a trendline breakout. These type of strategies are crucial in terms of trading. Like, I trade trend lines multiple times a day, right? And if I see a trend line breakout, then I will be taking it. Okay. So if you guys did just join, welcome. But essentially, sorry, let's get back going here. Essentially, we still long here on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see if it's still working here. Yeah, we in. Okay. Yeah, we took a long for Bitcoin. If you guys want to take it, it's pretty much at entry as well. I'm quite ambitious here to target, 36K. But I mean, I think the first level would definitely be 35,100 and then 35,250. Okay. So we took a long here for Bitcoin, looking to target these levels here. Yeah. The thing is, technically, for Bitcoin, I'll show you now what I'm looking at. So this is TP2 here. Yeah. So basically, it's still respecting this zone here. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, I don't want to make it too complicated here, but you can see that this level here, we've spoken about it, 34,800, very critical zone for Bitcoin today. And that's why we were taking longs the whole day, because as long as Bitcoin respects this level, right? As long as Bitcoin bounces from the zone, we're going to see all the altcoins start to pump, right? It makes sense. It's basics, so yeah, that's why I did take it long here. So just laughing. But basically, oh, Litecoin's absolutely ripping, yeah. Oh my god. See, for Litecoin, I gave a signal 2 days ago, and I said that we're targeting 81.57. Okay, the Litecoin is gonna rip. I'm only on a 10x here, so I'm up. I think I'm on an 8x. Let me check my coin W. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to go over some charts, because I can go over pretty much anything you want. Just let me know. Because you might see a signal that I'm gonna be live for the next hour. So we definitely gonna catch some trades here. We're definitely gonna catch some trades here. So let me know how you guys are today, and let me know what trades you're looking at. If there are any trades that you want me to go over, or if there's anything that you want, put it in the comment section. I'll have a look now. See if you guys have any questions. Yeah. XRP TP is no, but XRP is already we entered a while ago, right? So, but I think overall you can take longs here for XRP. It's making high highs and high lows. Let's see. Yeah, look at this channel for XRP. Okay, the TP for XRP. I mean, even if you're using high leverage, you can just target the highs. Yeah, so like here, right? It's respecting this channel here. So what I'm expecting for XRP is something very basic in terms of bouncing between these type of zones, making high highs and high lows, and then eventually breaking out, right? Breaking out to these levels over here. Okay, so that is something I'm looking at for XRP. And then what's UDO? No, well, ODO was already played out. Like this is the signal I gave earlier. But I'm looking at Solana long again, because the thing is with Solana, we took a long earlier, we took profit, but overall it's still bullish, right? If we have a look here, yeah, I want to see how this level holds. Let's see here on the 5. There's a bit of a channel here as well. Remember, when we draw these lines, as long as it respects, we could take a long here. Yeah, we could take a long here for Solana as well. There's a bit of a channel here. The thing is, it's not that clean, to be honest. Because the thing is, price could come down still. Yeah. But I think Litecoin is just gonna absolutely rip. To be honest with you, this looks so good. I've been long for 2 days. I'll log into my coin W and show you. I don't think this is one though. This is just one of my accounts, yeah. I think we're up like 26% on that trade. We've been long for quite a while. Planning to hold until 81. But the thing is, right now I'm trying to look for a setup. Can't really see much. Because the whole thing, like the market's already kind of played out already, right? So we need to wait for some type of retracement. Let's have a look here for XRP. I mean for Ethereum. It looks like we are getting a little bit of a dump here, so can't really do much here. This is Litecoin. There looks like there may be, if we take the RSI, there looks like there might be a bearish divergence here. You can just feel it. Yeah, there is, right? Beautiful bearish divergence. So while we're coming down here, so you can see the RSI is coming down, but price is moving up, right? So that's called a bearish divergence, and that's exactly what we're getting here for Litecoin. I mean for Link. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is looking for a long here for Link, but we need to see price. In Link's just been bullish the whole day and pretty much the whole month. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for Link to tap into this level first. Yeah, if it doesn't tap into this zone, then we can look for positions. But that's what I'm looking at. Solana's coming back down here. It's breaking this level here. We could probably look at the shorts. Yeah. We could probably look at a short here for Solana. And XRP coming back down. Because if it loses this trend line here, it's most probably just going to come back down to these levels here. But the thing is, overall, it's bullish, right? But it's just the smaller time frames we can definitely make use of. But we need to wait for the 1 minute candle to close here. Yeah, we have to be patient here. Let me know in the chat if you guys have any coins you want me to go over. The market's kind of just parking.
Yeah, I'll send that to you. Mike is putting.
Yeah, so trying to look for a trade, yeah. Can't really see much. We might have to wait. The thing is, like, at the moment now, the market's consolidating, so it's hard to take trades at this moment. So this zone here for axes is so crucial, right? This zone here is so crucial for axes. So basically, if it loses this area, I mean, we have an order block over here. We could take a long here for axie. Reason why I say that is comp. I haven't actually looked at comp in a while. Comp. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Oh, it's bullish, bro. Comp's been bullish for a long time, yeah. Okay. So the 30 minute coming down a bit here. CHZ, yeah, sure. I'll go over CHZ as well. I think comp can definitely come back down to this zone here for potential long. We could probably take a short here for comp. What is the risk to reward there? Yeah, it could be a small little scalp here. Because it looks like Bitcoin's coming down. We could take a short here for comp. Small short. Taking this here. I mean, it's only a 1% gain. Nice reaction there. Beautiful. Yeah, the 1 minute should lose its support here. Because as long as Bitcoin comes down, it should be fine. So the thing is, the altcoins, we want to be trading the altcoins more than Bitcoin. Because it's just that beautiful reaction here. The comp looks like it's going to be a good one. Solana broke that support. Yeah, we could have taken shorts there. Axie is still holding. We might take a long here for Axie just now. I'll let you know. Not yet, but comp. You guys took this, well done. CHZ, yeah, sure. So comp, we took a short, a small short here. Back to the resistance, right? We have a level here we haven't really tapped into. Where's CHZ? Oh yeah. CHZ, CHZ not really doing anything here. Yeah, you can see it's kind of drawn out here. Yeah, I mean, look at this, right? So for CHZ, little bit of a channel here. Look at this, right? A little bit of a channel here. Yo, this is gonna be a good trade, yeah. Yeah. So CHZ. Problem is right now. So if you took this trade for comp, it looks very clean. We'll see how this plays out. As long as Bitcoin comes down, but looking at CHZ, it's more on the bullish side. So where is it now? CHZ. See, for me, for CHZ, I have to wait for this, right? You can see here, this is what we got. Yeah. So we need to see price break this level here, and then we take longs. Yeah. So once we break that level, we can take longs to have a look here. Where can we take longs? Back up to the highs. Nice percent gain, yeah. So the thing is, we have to wait for that. Yeah. It's important just to wait for that. The thing is, you could probably take longs now, but the thing is, when Bitcoin comes down, at the moment, it's not looking good. As long as Bitcoin, I mean, I did take a long here for Bitcoin, but I mean, let's see. I took it at this level here. So as long as Bitcoin holds this level here, yeah, we've spoken about it, right? This zone, we're waiting for a breakout over here, TP1, TP2 here, something like that, right? Sorry, I'm frozen. We did take a long, sorry, I did freeze it before. We are long here for Bitcoin. Yeah. Remember, if you're using high leverage, just take profit where you can. Reason for the long, basics, right? Playing the range here, playing the range, looking to yeah, up there, okay? But now that we're seeing this, I think taking longs here for CHZ is definitely something I'm going to look at. Probably going to take this, right? So this account, I've just been building it up. It was like a pretty small amount. Around about $100 on this account now, it's up 500. So, long here. Bitcoin's back, you're going to get a pump here. Yeah, I'm going to take a long here for CHZ. Using a $100 margin here. Overall, we're still bullish on everything here. I'm gonna wait for Bitcoin to close. I'll let you know when I enter here. We want to see Bitcoin close respecting this level. If it doesn't close respecting, then taking longs definitely not valid here. See right now. Solana's coming down as well. XRP, yeah, we were looking at that. See how it broke this level here, coming back down to entry that we took earlier. So we have to wait now. Like, I can't really do anything. Or just be patient here. Because the thing is, if Bitcoin comes down like this, starts closing below here, we may see a dump. So we don't want to be on the wrong side here. Litecoin, still looking bullish. Litecoin is just bullish overall. Look at this, just bullish the whole Yeah, I don't know. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Still short here on comp though. Looking to take profit at this low. Weird how Litecoin just ripping and then everything's dumping. Yeah, looking at that now, Bitcoin's coming down. Audio, good thing we took some profits up at around about this level here. Always good to take profits regardless. Especially when you're scalping, right? I mean, if you're doing a swing trade, like for this trade here for Litecoin, I'm swing trading this. So, see, like, I'm going for a high return, lower margin, right? Yeah, it looks like we're getting a dump here. The Bitcoin Cash, like for example, like Bitcoin Cash, if we go over Bitcoin Cash at the moment, you can see here, like, for example, like if we look at a long here, see how it's breaking this level, okay? So as long as price stays above this level here, as long as price stays above this level over here, then we can look at 258. Because the whole market's kind of pumping already here. So if we have a look at this, okay, we could actually take a long here for Bitcoin Cash. Stop loss below the wick, okay? What I'm looking at here is definitely a long for Bitcoin Cash back up to 258. Up around about 3% on the day. You can see over here. Yeah, you can long Bitcoin Cash here. To be honest with you, looks very clean. So basically looking to target like 258. Because it broke above this level here. And as long as Bitcoin stays like this, we should see a pump here. Okay, same thing with CHZ. We need to see price respect this level here. Yeah. See here. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash bullish here, guys. Long on Bitcoin Cash. Looking just to target 258 here. 258 is definitely a level to look at. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is clean. Like, flip bullish here. That was a good call. Bum, 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 bum. The whole thing right now is the market's bullish. Like, you don't really want to be taking shorts. Like, I don't want to take shorts too. If the market was coming down, then yeah, sure, shorts are valid, but this is clean. We're long on a couple coins here. Audio, I'm still long here. Axie, this is the buy zone for Axie. We spoke about it. Just did speak about it if you guys joined in the beginning. This is definitely the buy zone here. Nice auto block here, resistance / support on the left here. We're gonna remove this here. This is a buy zone. If I take buys here, I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute closure here. The thing is, any given point in time, Bitcoin can still flip. See how we broke below here? This 5-minute trend line, okay? So because we broke below this level here, okay? price needs to close back above here, confirm upside for Bitcoin. But that will give us a little bit of sentiment along the market here. But the thing is, Bitcoin Cash is kind of just doing its own thing, so we don't really need to worry about Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin is coming down here. We're still short here on comp as well. We took a short in the beginning. Reason we take a short, we have a level of resistance at this zone here. So I want to be taking longs at this zone. Yeah. So I want to be taking longs here. So I'll short until that zone. Oh, my screen's frozen. I'm short until zone here. But the thing is, the market, Bitcoin's still bullish, yeah. Let's have a look at the web map. Book map. Book map for Bitcoin. Yeah, it looks like Bitcoin's flipping, yeah, it's good. I think this comp trade should play out. Especially when Bitcoin's coming down like this. Yeah, so the short for comp. I don't know why my screen keeps freezing here. It's so annoying. Short for comp looks good. Bitcoin's coming down, which is obviously good. Definitely valid, yeah. Nice. This is definitely valid, yeah. And then for comp, what we're gonna do is, yeah, once it hits the zone, we'll look at a long, yeah. We're gonna short until we get the long signal. Go to the long zone, basics. XRP still holding. Still holding. Yeah, to be honest, there's not much other coins I'm looking at. Market's kind of just racing now, which is good. What we want. Bitcoin's coming down, you can see. I'm only in 2 trades, yeah. I think it's crazy. Pump should be clean. Bitcoin's coming down, which is good. Bitcoin Cash, we did take that long there. We at break even. I'm gonna keep this as a hedge, to be honest with you, because if Bitcoin comes down, we have a long and then we have 2 shorts. Let's see. That CHJ, we're waiting for that long. Might only happen a bit later though. Yeah, so Bitcoin's in the buy zone, that's the thing. We might see a reaction here. Might see a bounce here. This setup here could. Yeah, thing is we might have to close this one early. Because if Bitcoin carries on like this, the bounce, we might see comp start to rip. And then obviously Bitcoin Cash will rip as well. But I mean, yeah, the market right now, it's just a bit sketchy. More to the short side. It is more to the short side. I want to see the book map. We were running through it and then we just got distracted. So Bitcoin can definitely still come back down to 34,800. 34,800 is the level. It'll most probably tap into that zone and then we'll see a bounce. Yeah, it's playing games, yeah. Oh, good. We took this, see how this plays out. We expecting Bitcoin to tap into 34,800, yeah. 34,800, like this red box. We're expecting to tap this low first. See how it plays out. JJ is coming down. Solana should be coming down as well. So let's see. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of reaction, yeah. So basically, with this setup here, getting a little bit of a reaction here. Oh, we missed this. We're meant to take a long here for link at this price. Yeah, you can see that was the entry. Did miss that. The chain link, very clean. Let's see. Yeah, if you join the beginning live stream, like at the beginning, would have. I didn't catch this trade, yeah. Catch that one. But the thing is, I'm expecting Bitcoin to come down, right? So I'm expecting it to come down. That's why we're taking shorts here. So just comp at the moment, Just comp. Oh, the fib strategy, yes, Clement. Forgot about that. Let's run through it. Okay. So what is the Fibonacci tool? Basically, it's a sequence that is found throughout your existence of life. You can find the Fibonacci sequence on your face, your palms. You can find it in nature, like on a leaf. You can find it, like a snail, right? That whole snail's shell is based on the Fibonacci sequence. Okay? So that spiral in the Fibonacci sequence is basically on the snail, right? So the Fibonacci sequence is found throughout the whole existence. So it's not just based on trading. It's not just based on whatever. But basically, what I'm looking at, what I'm trying to get at here is that the Fibonacci sequence is used in trading, and I've used this tool multiple times, and I use it every single day. Okay, so let's run through it. So basically, let's look at this, right, for comp, for example, right? So what you need for the Fibonacci sequence to occur is you need a low and a high in the market, right? So we have this low over here, okay, and we have this high over here, okay. So what we need is we need a low and we need a high, okay. So what you need to do is you need to go to the tool here, grab the Fibonacci retracement, take it from the low, so we have the low over here, to the high over here, okay. And you can see that all of these levels over here, right? All of these levels are levels of potential retracement zones, okay? So what does that mean? A retracement zone is like if it's bullish, like at the moment the market's bullish, right? So we expecting price to either, right? We expecting price you just redraw it. My bad. I'll redraw it now. So we take it from the low of the market, which is like where the pump started, right? This is where the pump started, low to the high, okay? And what normally happens is we normally see a 0.618 retracement, right? So we normally see a 0.618 retracement. And if the 0.618 retracement is in line with previous resistance, like it is here, this yellow box, right, is your zone. You can see here, resistance, previous resistance, right? So if your 0.618 retracement is in line with that Fibonacci 0.618, and it's in line with the retracement of the resistance or the support, then okay, the probability of price coming down to that level is more likely, right? So I use the Fibonacci's tool basically just to get retracement zones and look at potential targets for longing the market, depending if it's a long and a short. So I'll run through the short scenario as well. But basically, when the market's bullish, you want to be looking at the 0.618 retracement back down to your previous resistance, right? Because you want to be shorting to here, and then you want to be longing at this level. So that's why we took the short to this level, which is exactly in line with this resistance, right? And because the 0.618 matches this level, it's very clean, right? So we'll run through the short example now, but basically that's what I'm looking at. Because Bitcoin, we have a wall at Bitcoin as well. If you look at the wall, we're looking at 34,800. There's 270 Bitcoin, 279 Bitcoin sitting at that level. So we know that the market is most likely going to retrace, right? And because the Fibonacci for comp is sitting at this level here, right? At this 51.84, plus we have this resistance, the probability of price coming down there is more likely than you just seeing another pump randomly, okay? So that's why we took the short to that level. That's where your take profit should be. And then we'll be looking to long the market there, okay? So we'll run through another example though, because I felt like I spoke a bit quickly there. But that's essentially how it works, okay? My bad. That's essentially how it works. So you want to be taking your Fibonacci tool from the low of the market, right? So we have, this is where the pump started, right? Where did the pump end? It ended over here, okay? So we are looking to find levels where we can take longs. So this level is a potential level to take a long in the market, right? That is something that I'll be looking at. And that's why we took that short for comp to this level here. Okay. You want to take it from the low to the high. All of these levels here are potential levels of retracement. Retracement, right? But the most common one is the 0.618. The 0.618 is the most common level. And when you get a 0.618 with the resistance zone, right? With the resistance zone, it's very, very clean. Okay. It's the probability of it playing out is more in favor because you have your previous resistance. So we know that when the market makes highs, we come down to previous resistance, right? Slash support. Okay. Then you have the 0.618 level exactly on that level. It's very, very clean. Okay, so that's why we took the short for this trade. Okay, obviously the market's bullish, but we're taking shorts to the retracement zone, right? So you can use it as a tool like that. Personally, I don't normally trade like this, but so it looks clean. I'm probably gonna take some partials here because I do expect Bitcoin to bounce soon. So the thing is, probably gonna take some partial profits here. Even Litecoin's coming down a lot here. But we're gonna run through another example here. I just want to make sure this takes profit, and then we can look at another example, just so you guys understand what I'm talking about. I just want this to hit take profit, and then we can look at some other setups. Bitcoin, like I said, we need 34,800 to hit, so it's still coming. 34,800, we have a lot of longs sitting at that zone. A lot of longs at that zone. We just need a little bit of a dump here for comp here. A little bit more, just a little bit more here. I'm probably just gonna take this because Bitcoin's gonna reverse here. I don't like shorting. Personally, I don't like shorting in a long market. But the thing is, the setup was very clean, so I did want to take it. There we go. Nice. We're gonna liquidate the position here. Beautiful, beautiful trade, beautiful setup. That's textbook right there. This trade is textbook, guys. Textbook trading. Beautiful setup. I just took profit there, just took profits. We should see a pump here. So we're going to see a reaction at the zone here. Just hit TP, massive. Could see a bounce here. If not, but look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice. Hopefully you guys took this trade. Pump is absolutely dumping here. I took profit a little bit earlier, just a little bit early, because I'm expecting a reaction here. But now you see this fib level is in line, and we're seeing a bounce at the zone, right? So now, if comp somehow closes below this level here, if it closes below, then this is invalid. But it's a 0.618 level, and we have resistance here, right? So nice trade. That was a beautiful trade. Textbook. Market's starting to reverse here. Litecoin's coming back down into the zone. I'm holding this Litecoin trade until 81 though, because this is a long-term hold. But comp looks like it's going to start breaking this resistance. So the market might be shifting here. The market might be shifting it. be honest with you. We might even see this level get tapped into. I took profit already, guys, but I mean, if you didn't take profit, you can look at taking profit at like 51.06. But like I said, that 34.8, let's see. Ooh, massive dump here. Let's see, did it get eaten up? So the book map is showing, yeah, we broke through that level and we took out all those longs. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. The comp is just ripping. Beautiful trade there. Absolutely beautiful. Lana came all the way back. So we took this trade already and we put stop loss to break even. The whole market's trying to flip here, guys. The whole market's trying to flip. It's quite interesting. I want to see if this... We'd have to wait here for this 34,800. If this 34,800 level gets broken, we're going to see a massive reverse. We could even see... We have this level here as well. 34,100. So we're going to be looking at shorts if we close below 34,800, okay? If 34,800 actually gets broken here, then we're going to close. We're going to look at some shorts. This is good though. I like this because we have more opportunities to take longs here. So comp's coming down nicely. We took profit already though. Yeah, I closed below the zone. Probably going to see price tap into. Yeah. That's beautiful. That's absolutely. Oh, Bitcoin just dumped so hard, yeah, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, it's absolutely ripping. Yeah, so my Litecoin trade was on 26, now it's only on 8%. Yeah, so I'm still holding that though. I'm expecting we're gonna see a bounce. We will see a bounce here. If we look at the book map, right? The book map's telling us that we most probably gonna bounce here. Should see a bounce here. If it doesn't bounce here, well then the market's short. Yeah. Beautiful though. This is good though. Look at this liquidity sweep here. All of these, I want to actually see what happened here. If we look at liquidations, yeah. CoinGlass liquidations. This is the fundamental stuff you need to be looking at, right? So at the moment, we just had 11 million longs just got liquidated. So this is beautiful. 34,800. If 34,800 holds, we can look to long. And this would be a beautiful trade because all of these longs just got liquidated, and this is where the market's gonna try to push it up. So we've got 3 more minutes here. 3 more minutes. But if 34,800 doesn't hold, well then, yeah, it looks like we might have to short the whole day. But that's fine, right? I mean, the nice thing with futures trading, you can long and short, right? But look at this, right? This is beautiful for comp. Beautiful for comp here. Comp has beautifully come back up here. So this is exactly what we've been speaking about, guys. The Fibonacci. Oh, man. Sorry, it just keeps on freezing. Okay, so this is what we were talking about for comp. Yeah, it looks like the market's flipping bullish, and this is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, yeah. Look at that. This is why we took profit over here. Makes sense, right? Resistance zone, market's flipping. This is just like, oh, look at Bitcoin. That's beautiful. This is what you want to see, guys. This is exactly what you want to see here. You see this whole wick over here? This is called a liquidity sweep, right? So a lot of people are putting stop losses. A lot of people are putting their stop losses below these wicks here. People are putting stop losses here, and everyone just got wrecked. Everyone just got wrecked. And if you have a look at the book map, all these longs over here are getting absolutely railed. Yeah, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Beautiful, beautiful. That comp setup was just perfect. Textbook trade. That in and out, 5 minutes, and you cruising. XRP, I might even take a long here, guys, because now we have opportunity. This 15 XRP, yeah. I'm sorry. XRP looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna take this long here. XRP long. XRP long here, guys. XRP long. I'll post it. I'm gonna take this long here for XRP. We need to wait for the 15 now. The 15-minute candle, 22 seconds. 22 seconds, yeah. We're gonna take a long for XRP. That liquidity sweep is beautiful, right? You can see 34,800 just doesn't want to break. Doesn't want to break. And wait. $4.7 and stop loss 4.6. Yeah, so looking at a long here for XRP, basically Bitcoin, yeah, I mean it's clean, right? Very clean. Very clean, yeah. We can go look at comp again. We could look at a long here. Yeah, comp the long. Stop loss below this wick here. Take profits at these fib levels. Yeah. So comp's along. XRP's along. Comp XRP. Yeah, cruising. Posting this stuff and then go to the Telegram. So that whole move there, for me, is just a liquidity sweep, right? That whole move there is just a liquidity sweep. It's basically all the institutions just trying to trap people and take out stop losses. So whenever you see that happen, that's your opportunity to get in, because a lot of people would be getting stopped out here, getting liquidated, putting high leverage trades, 100x, 50x, and everyone's just getting absolutely wrecked. But then the thing is, you can wait for that to happen and then long the market, because the opportunity for you to take the trade now is more likely way better, right? No. Yes, sir. I don't like trading Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin long as well if you want. Bitcoin long. I don't trade Bitcoin, but you can long Bitcoin. Stop loss, it's gonna have to be below the wick here. Stop loss at 34,668, and then TP1 35,117, and then TP2 35,242. So you can see that's a beautiful rip. It's already starting to rip here. So bullish, I'm bullish, right? I told you in the beginning I was bullish. Everyone's probably thinking, oh, market's coming down. What am I gonna do? But this is a textbook liquidity sweep. Basics. So market's still absolutely ripping. I love it when this happens. You get more opportunity. So XRP is going to be a long. We have a Bitcoin long. It's clean everywhere. That chart right here, this Bitcoin chart right here, it just shows you so much. There's so much information on this chart right now. So much. You could probably long the whole market, to be honest with you. If you want to take longs on any pair, you could probably long anything. To be honest with you. Because of this liquidity sweep, I'm very confident that we're going to see a long here. You can long pretty much any coin here, guys, to be honest with you. So we long on XRP here, we long on Bitcoin. Beautiful, beautiful. That was a beautiful liquidity sweep. Textbook. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, we also long on comp. Long on a couple coins here, guys. Couple coin longs here. Yeah, to be honest with you, it's it's very clean. Yeah. No, it's fine. But XRP is still good for longs, guys. I mean, it's only up a little bit from the inch. But I mean, Bitcoin here, this is textbook. I love it when this happens. Right? Bookmap, I'll run through the bookmap. Basically, the bookmap, it's not really for my strategy. It's more to see where the levels are. So I'll run through it quickly for you guys. So looking right here, we have, if you have a look over here, we have all this Bitcoin here. So on the sell side, we have like 100 Bitcoin at these levels. So what I showed you earlier, that 34,800, there was 272 Bitcoin sitting at that zone, right? 232 Bitcoin sitting at that zone. So that is why I was like, okay, it's going to be hard to break. And that is why we had that massive dump and then a massive pump, right? Because of that, it's a very, very useful tool here. That's why I'm expecting price to pump here. Yeah. XRP is ripping. Bitcoin's gonna rip. Everything's ripping, yeah, guys. Today's been great. We haven't had one loss today. We've taken 8 trades. 8 trades today. 0 losses. I'm gonna try to keep that up. 8 trades, 0 losses, yeah, guys. XRP, I mean, it's clean. Once this 15-minute candle closes here, it's going to be great. We're going to see a nice upside. I'm expecting market to absolutely rip. Obviously, Bitcoin, beautiful. Love the look at that. Closing back above the level, beautiful fake out. Right, we were speaking about this earlier, right? How price was doing this, trading in the zone. Fake out, pump back up to these levels, okay? So fake outs are the best to trade. If this somehow flips bearish, then I'm not sure. But to be honest, I don't see it flipping bearish. Bitcoin Cash. No. You have to just keep your stop loss below this wick here. Stop loss below the wick. Very clean. XRP still looks good. And then obviously comp was great. We do have this trend line for comp as well. Over here, around. Yeah, yeah. Just wait. I want to put not too many. Solana, let's have a look at Solana. Solana's retest though. I don't want to take a long for Solana anymore. We already took our longs for Solana. Keep them. Total free market cap bouncing. Bouncing. We need this 15-minute candle to close bullish for Bitcoin. If it flips bearish, yeah, then yeah, may see more of a down. But comp's kind of pumping, yeah, to be honest. Comp's kind of pumping. Once comp breaks this trend line, we're going to see a huge pump here. Once comp breaks this, market's going to flip. It's going to do quite a nice bounce here. So Bitcoin, I want to wait for the 15 closure. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Wait for the 15 closure. If you guys aren't long yet, just wait for the 15. But the thing is, Bitcoin's still holding nicely. Bookmap, what's it saying? Bookmap saying we have quite a strong level at 34,937. 34,937. So Bitcoin needs to hold, yeah, guys. Otherwise, we didn't take this trade for link. Might have to cancel. Thing is now, need to wait for this 15 closure because yeah, it's important, very important to wait for this closure. This candle here just shows you quite a lot of information, right? And it's also the 30-minute closure and it's the 1 hour closure, I think. Yeah, it's the 1 hour closure as well. So we have the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the 15, and the 5, and the 1. So all these candles are closing at the same time, which is very, very good. So when you have the 1 hour and the 30 minutes and the 15 closing at the same time with a massive liquidity sweep over here, it's kind of bullish, right? Yeah. Link is losing strength here. This is a retest for a dump, to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, we need to see how this 15 closes. 3 minutes, yeah. Bitcoin doesn't. The thing is now, Bitcoin closes like this, then we need to reassess here. Thing is, right now, guys, like Bitcoin's losing it. Bitcoin's losing it. I think I'm just gonna stop this at like a little loss here, because the 15's closing, respecting the zone here, the retest, right? And when we get a breakout, yeah, I think exit BTC. I'm exiting here. Take this out. Exit that trade. XRP as well, I think. Yeah, the market's dumping. So we exit all trades here, guys, in a low loss. Nothing crazy. Good thing we caught it early. Because the market looks like it's gonna dump. We could probably take some sells for Link. Yeah, Link could be a sell, yeah. Yeah. Sells valid. Sells for Link here, guys.
Sells for Link.
Yeah. Yeah, take the L's on those trades. Market's losing 38,800. So we've lost that level. Taking sells for Link here. On this trade here, we can recover from those little losses. I mean, it wasn't even a big loss. We only lost like 2%. Nothing crazy. Sells, I mean, look at this. This is massive. We should start seeing a dump here. This will recover your 2% loss here. This trade right here. Chainlink moves a lot, so we should see a dump here. So you see how we're adapting, right? Bitcoin, it's beautiful, right? So yeah, there it is. Link's dumping. Yeah, this is gonna recover your loss, right? This trade right here, recover your loss. Yeah, the market's dumping. You in any longs? I suggest not being in any longs. Yeah. So we just took out all these trades here. There's no reason for us to be in a trade that's a long run. Might actually flip here.